Today you are going to learn from me how to cut mangoes like a total pro. Hey everyone, my name is Humayra Nafhan and welcome to Humayra Nafhan's kitchen. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. You will need a sharp fruit knife, a mango and a non-slip chopping board. Let's jump right in. Start by cutting the mango lengthwise. Then score the mango into dices, but remember to not fully cut it through. Push the mango outwards and reveal a beautiful pattern. Continue this process to the rest of your mangoes. Always remember that you can even change the size of your dices. Now, to your preference, you can scoop the dices out into a bowl. And you are finally done. Use these mangoes to make smoothies and much more. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and leave a comment. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the right to subscribe to my channel and click on the left top to watch my pomegranate cutting video and the left bottom to watch another playlist.